Saraswati Plastotech India Private Limited has been manufacturing polycarbonate sheets since 2011 with state-of-the-art extrusion lines from Umipa, Italy, using internationally recognized polycarbonate resin. These sheets come with a variety of ranges to choose from, like hollow or multi-wall sheets, solid sheets, textured sheets, corrugated profile sheets, and architectural standing seam panel systems. Ultralight and Polymac polycarbonate sheets are the perfect material for construction. These are lightweight, durable, aesthetic, weather-resistant, energy-saver, UV-safe, self-curving, and easy to install. Our polycarbonate sheets can be installed in a diversity of applications like industrial, warehouses, greenhouses, stadiums, canopies, solar dryers, hangars, and architectural structures with varying temperatures. Architect Panel System. Before starting installation of the ultralight Architect Panel System, first cut the panel to the desired size. Then remove the protective film by 600 mm. Stick the aluminum foil or breathing tape on each end of the polycarbonate sheet. Install the first set of stainless steel clips with waterproof screws. Carefully install the first ultralight Architect Panel System neatly behind the stainless steel clips. Proceed with the installation of the second set of stainless steel clips and carefully install the second ultralight Architect Panel System on the same. Install the polycarbonate joining connector on the upper part of the panel. Now, repeat the installation process until the roof has completed and remove the protective film. Once you have completed the installation on the top of the polycarbonate sheets, install the last panel and its polycarbonate profile on the outside. At the end of the roof, where the distance between the profiles is less than 600 mm or 995 mm, the last sheet must be trimmed to X 15 mm. Apply the last set of stainless steel fixing hooks and the final profile to finish the installation. Insert the caps at the top and bottom of the sheets. The reverse system makes it possible to create vertical surfaces as well. Polycarbonate sheets. Install the framework to support ultralight polycarbonate sheets. This frame should be level, strong, and capable of supporting the weight of the sheets. Ultralight and Polymac polycarbonate sheets are co-extruded with an UV layer of 50 microns on both sides. It's always advisable that printed side should be toward the sun. Make sure to use a jigsaw or a circular saw with fine-toothed blades to cut the ultralight and Polymac polycarbonate sheets to the right size. Attach the connected aluminium bar and base in the center of each rafter. Drill it and fix it along with the rafter. Place the mounting screws with the mounting joints only in the lines of the bracket frame. Take care to tighten the screws firmly, but not too tightly to crack the panels. Click on the EPDM rubber bar gasket on the aluminium frame. The protective film on the click on the EPDM rubber bar gasket on the aluminium frame. Polycarbonate sheets should be peeled approximately 50 mm on all edges and both sides. Make sure the sheet contains neither dust nor moisture. Breathing or sealing strips must be affixed to both ends of the sheet. Position the side of the ultralight and Polymac polycarbonate sheet, that is, shielded by the printed film, towards the top of the frame. Make sure the sheet metal cases are correctly positioned 3 mm from the rib frame's center. It facilitates the contraction and expansion of leaves under various temperatures. For fixing, fill the holes and sides of the aluminium frame with silicone. Before attaching the top cap of a U-profile, place the EPDM rubber gasket into an aluminium system. The infill should be tightly secured by the top cap. At a distance of 2 feet, screw the top cap in the center. Continue to add sheets and profiles until reaching the end of the frame. Always remember, when installing on the roof side, there should be a minimum of 5 degrees slope. This slope helps in water draining. Remove all of the printed protective film from the sheets when the installation is finished. We can install solid and texture sheets with the same process without breathing or U-profile. But always keep in mind that while installing the ultralight and Polymac, always use silicone. After the installation is finished, clean up any leftover debris and properly dispose of it. Corrugated polycarbonate sheets. Measure the roof surface of the plant where you would like to install ultralight corrugated polycarbonate sheets. First, install MS steel panels to ensure durability at reasonable price. Use a grinding machine to fit the corrugated sheets to the desired size. Ultralight corrugated polycarbonate sheets can be laid at a minimum height of 5 degrees. Ultralight corrugated polycarbonate sheets of 0.7 mm thickness extend up to 1800 mm between support. Remember that ultralight corrugated polycarbonate sheets must be laid towards the prevailing winds. Be sure to place your first ultralight corrugated polycarbonate sheet towards the eaves, not verge, so water can flow easily. Overlap the ultralight corrugated polycarbonate sheets about 3 to 4 inches. Also, make sure that the purlin bearer leg is on the underside lap, not the overlap. Use 4 fixing screws across the width of each sheet on every support. Correctly pre-drill a hole in corrugated polycarbonate sheet that should be more than 3 mm from the screw size. The best sealing and holding capabilities can only be obtained with correct compression of the neoprene washer. Avoid shaping or attenuating the corrugated panels by turning the screws such that the head of the screw simply touches the panel and fastened it securely. For additional safety, be sure to utilize the cover on the screw's end. Till the first row of panels is finished, continue across the roof.